The Vivo V50 is this close to being a flagship, but does it actually deliver? I've been testing this phone for about a week now, and there are 3 things that surprised me, and there might be one deal breaker that you need to know. First up, we have design, build quality, and display. So this phone, looking at it at first glance, it's unique. We've got this lovely dual ring camera module. The rounded edges make holding this phone so comfortable. My unit is in satin black. It looks super clean. Unfortunately, the black version comes with a plastic composite sheet. And honestly, I didn't know this until I saw this on the spec sheet. The phone is only 7.4mm thick, and you'd be surprised to hear how big the battery is on this phone. In terms of build quality, we have both IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant. This means this phone can withstand high pressure water jets. It's also immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. In terms of display, we have a 6.77-inch display. It's a 1080p AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are impressively accurate, and watching content or gaming on this phone is really nice. The display on this phone is really bright as well, with a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which makes using this phone outdoors not an issue at all. In fact, it's a pleasant experience. What about the battery? Well, we have a massive 6000 mAh Blue Volt battery. Blue Volt is Vivo's battery technology used in the battery to maintain slim phone profiles. With this battery, we have up to 21 hours YouTube playback and 9.5 hours of gaming. This is from Vivo themselves. From my testing, I can confirm that this battery is exceptionally good. It lasted me about a day, but I will say I wasn't doing any gaming. This was just normal web browsing, doing social media stuff, and a bit of video editing. The charging speeds on this phone is really good as well. You get up to 90 watts fast charging. Fast charging is something that I'm a big fan of because I use my phones to record. In fact, I'm using a phone right now to record this video you're watching. Let me know what you guys think about the camera, by the way. Yeah, but fast charging on this is solid, but there's no wireless charging, which kind of sucks. Speaking of recording videos, the camera on this phone is really good. We have Zeiss lenses across the board. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. In daylight, the photos are good, the camera captures great detail, and the colors are vibrant. The portraits on this phone are top notch too. Now let's do a video test starting with the front camera of the Vivo at 4K 30fps. Let me know what you guys think about the camera quality. In my opinion, I think this is tops, man. I'm not gonna lie. The quality is amazing. Unfortunately, the weather is not in our favor today, so I can't go downstairs and take like closer shots. But yeah, this is the front camera, guys. This right here is now the video quality at 4K 30fps. Unfortunately, guys, it's raining downstairs, so I don't want to risk going downstairs with the phone. But yeah, I think it's just drizzling. It shouldn't be that bad, but yeah, this is 4K 30fps with the main camera, and I'm also using the phone's mic. We are recording at 4K 30fps using the ultra wide camera, and the colors on this, man, is just amazing. I don't feel like there's any editing needed here. You can just upload this straight to your YouTube, and unfortunately, once again, guys, I cannot go downstairs. It's raining, so yeah, this is it, guys, for the video test. You can see that the video is quality, man. And now finally, guys, the deal breaker. We have 12 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs of storage. You're probably thinking, how is that a deal breaker, right? Wait, I'm not done. The chip on this phone is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. And here's why this chip might be a deal breaker. Okay, so for daily tasks like browsing the web, social media, texting, gaming to an extent, and entry-level smartphone editing, this chip is good for that. But if you look at the benchmarks I ran on Geekbench, you can see that this is a mid-range chip compared to something like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's not a bad thing considering that this phone is a premium mid-ranger, and that's why it's so close to being a flagship. But unfortunately, the chip is holding it back slightly, I would say. It's not that bad, but mid-range for this price? I don't know. But I would have loved to have a true flagship chip in this phone, man. I'm sure it would have been levels, but I think Vivo decided to cut costs here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. So is the Vivo V50 worth it? If you want 90% of a flagship experience for 60% of the price, yes. But if you need a flagship chip, you will definitely feel that 10% gap. This phone is perfect for casual users, photography lovers, and battery chasers. Let me know what you guys think about the Vivo V50. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos, man, and peace out.